Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. In December of 2022, Michael Luna was eating lunch with his daughter when they noticed a large police presence outside.
I want you to get down on your left knee right now, okay?
When they walked outside, they noticed the police were attempting the arrest of a homeless man and began recording.
Hey, sir, I need you to get down on your knees. Or, do you hear what I'm saying?
You got me paranoid. I'm scared. I'm not moving. This is all I do. You guys say this right here, and that's what I'm doing.
All right, sir. Listen to me.
I
do not want you to move. You're not where you're at right now.
During the man's arrest, one officer asks Michael Luna to step back.
Why am I down your back, sir?
I'm recording you, man.
Sir, step back! Go back that way.
I'm within the distance. I'm within the distance. You know I'm within the distance. You guys got it under control. Don't even start.
Why are you guys doing this to me? Why are you guys asking me? What did I do? Yeah, but you guys came at me with guns drawn, like I did something wrong. Like I was like beating the shit out of somebody. What did I do?
The alleged offense was that he swung a plastic wiffle ball bat at people walking nearby, and as the deputies took the man into custody, Michael, his daughter, and multiple other people on scene recorded the rest of the interaction. Nearly 5 minutes pass, and the onlookers continue to record from the public parking lot. Michael begins to walk away from the scene, stopping to film the inside of one of the patrol vehicles.
Are you taking pictures of our car?
No. Hey, I'm a First Amendment auditor.
You are taking pictures of our car.
Hey. Hold on. Hold on. That's just one. I'm not
taking pictures.
Ow!
Go ahead. First, we'll figure it out. I don't know what's going on.
The violent arrest, ordered at the whims of Deputy Carlos, left Michael with massive contusions and abrasions, all for recording through a window from a public place. A legal and constitutionally protected activity, as there is no privacy in a public space, and the plain view doctrine works both ways. If the officer's computer is displaying sensitive information, it is the officer's responsibility to create the privacy. After Michael was taken into custody, the officers huddle to try to figure out what to charge him with.
There was a dumb lady with the green hat. She turned around and just said, "Arrest him!" And then all their minions went over.
I wasn't sure if it was the Asian that yelled it, but then I saw the other girl with the hat on start to bum rush with everybody else.
Right now they're trying to lie.
Yeah.
They could try all they want. That was on camera.
She's trying to explain herself.
All I heard is, did you just take pictures of my car? And then I seen everybody turn around and bum rush him.
They then take statements from Michael's family members.
Having so many family members and friends that are in the sheriff department, to be handled and treated like that is just really, really unacceptable in any professional manner. That's why personally I don't understand that.
Okay, yeah.
Where are you at?
Give me 1 second, I'll be right back.
Okay.
And only then, after everything had settled, they put up crime scene tape, prohibiting the family from taking their vehicle and leaving.
Yeah, he walked by the car and he looked in with his camera and they got upset by that.
That's when I pulled my phone out.
I know, we all do. Our car's over there. They say we can't touch this stuff.
To make matters worse, they then released the homeless man.
Now they're gonna release the guy. Let's see. The one that he got in trouble for anyways. We recorded it for you. She just said she apologized to you?
They don't. That's not what usually happens. They usually don't do that. It's just the situation. Take care.
What's her name and badge number?
I don't know her badge number, but it's Deputy Carlos.
Deputy Carlos?
If you want, you can.
0855.
Mine is Deputy Gomez, 628014.
And you'll be on the police report.
Michael was taken to a hospital but was denied sufficient treatment for the excessive force, after which he was taken to the sheriff's station and was charged with obstructing a police officer. He was finally released 5 hours later after being interrogated by a watch commander and a detective. He then transported himself to another hospital. Michael held on to this footage because the charges are so ridiculous he expected that they would be dropped the moment any prosecutor or supervisor looked at the videos. But his charges remain, and his arraignment date is on February 28th, 2023. I've linked below his GoFundMe, as he is still looking for an attorney to take the case. Michael tells me he will plead not guilty, and as all of you know, he will be moving forward with civil action against Deputy Carlos, Deputy Petrez, and the Los Angeles Sheriff's Department for violating his civil rights and extending their power beyond the constitutional limitations to their authority. We see videos like this almost daily, and for some reason, law enforcement officers across the country still haven't figured out that recording is not only legal, it is a constitutionally protected activity. Michael recently appeared for an interview on the Junkyard News.
I heard something pop in my shoulder. Yeah. You know how they do it. They have to. I'm an old guy, fat, but yeah, So he did it and he popped it. It popped, and even in the video you hear, me telling him, "You pop," my shoulder popped. And so it was an injury I didn't have, and and then it was attached to where I had the pain over here, and
so he exasperated your injury, if that's the correct. Word.
I didn't have a sprained shoulder, so he did that.
Oh, he did the sprained shoulder.
When I was in the hospital, I kept saying, "Can you please take the cuffs off? I'm cuffed over here. What am I going to run with the gurney?" They had me strapped. My feet were strapped, so I wasn't going to go anywhere. Just the pain was excruciating. She's the one who caused everything. Because of her, I was injured. This lady needs to be off the force. This lady definitely needs to be off the force. And the other guy that just, because there were tons of the deputies there. Why do you need so many people?
If you'd like to hear more of his story, check the pinned comment and description for a link to that full video. Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content, and check out our other channels, Lady Lackluster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the LackLuster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.